Hi, it's Wendy from Wenway Creations. I'm here today to do the last of the Super Simple Pink Monarch Prints Super Simple series that Anna did. So here it is. It's a little pocket here with a little tag. Another pocket here with a booklet and a tag. Another one here with a pull-out journaling spot. And one here with a big tag card. And a pocket in the middle with some more ephemera journaling spots. So let's do this. So easy. I've already done this video once and I deleted it accidentally. How about that? That's what I've been up to today, doing videos and deleting them. Okay, so I'm going to do the inside pocket. A line of glue along the side, along the bottom. Decorate this pocket. Put a bit of trim on it. A bit of rose trim. Okay, so that's the back part done. Oops. Now, the next one is this one, and that goes on here. So we have to, oh look at that dreadful printing on the back of my papers. I have to do a head clean. Down the side, along the bottom has a top opening. And then we glue it on here. I've inked my white areas. I don't have white areas. Okay. Put some rose on the back. Okay, the next pocket is this pocket. Now, Anna goes on like this. Anna cut this bit here out with a square template because this goes into it. And so that was showing through the square hole. But I haven't got one of those punches and I don't want to do it like that. So I'm just going to glue on all three sides to make a pocket. And then I'm going to cut the edge off this side. I'm going to glue this. About there-ish. having some rain here today, which is good for the garden. Sunny Queensland. Okay. Anna closed hers. I might close this one because it's got all that horrible ink on the inside, which is not very nice. But I would normally leave it open. More journaling space, but anyway, each to their own. And glue the tab on. Oh, it's not very centered. And that goes in that pocket. Okay, next pocket is this little one. I'm just going to put a notch in it. It's a top loading pocket. So we're just going to glue down the side along the bottom. And then this gets glued on here. I'm going to leave that open. That one, it's another booklet. There are always flowers for those who want to see them, by Henry Matisse. Little saying. I'm just going to decorate the front of the pocket with that. And I might even put a bit more rose trim up the side, just a little bit, because this gets pretty bulky. Last little pocket, where are you? Here, little tiny one. So I'm just going to glue these along 3 sides. This goes down the bottom here. Oh. And this little one goes in there. I won't push it all the way in. Now, I'm going to put this on here just to decorate that up. No, I'm not. Yes, I am. If you decide to cut that square out, you would have the card behind it. On the back, I'm going to put the hyacinth. And a little saying. A garden is a grand teacher. It teaches patience and careful watchfulness. It teaches industry and thrift. Above all, it teaches entire trust. Gertrude Jekyll. I wonder if she was married to Mr. Hyde. And the big tag, I'm going to leave mine open. I might go back later and put some coffee dyed paper in that to cover that up, or gesso it. And I'm just going to put a bit of dyed ribbon. I'll go with the green, actually. Oh, no, this is the better stuff. This is nicer. This is pale blue. I just coffee dyed some ribbon with my ink dyes, my Tim Holtz ink dyes, different shades. And that way you can open it up to journal inside. Just looking for a charm. I've just got a bowl pin here. I've got a leaf. I'm just going to put that up in there. In you go. And then that sits in the big one there. Just going to put Sweet as Can Be down there on the bottom of that picture. And on here, this bottom of this pocket, I'm just going to put this, my last sign, Bloom and Grow. So that goes over there, that one goes that way. That goes there, and that one goes there. And you would have your, your journal page, and you would just glue it onto your journal page. You could use a paper clip up on this pocket and that one there to hold it down, but that's staying pretty well down. Anna did say that she used just copy paper and for her pockets and used cardboard for all her ephemera, but I've used all cardstock, and like that's not bulking up too much, and it's not too bad. It's not biggie tube. So anyway, I'll put the link in the bottom of my video to Anna's website, YouTube site, and you can go on her website and go to her Etsy shop and buy the kits. Really worth it. I've had a lot of fun doing these. Thank you, Anna, for the inspiration, and I hope you've really enjoyed it, everyone. Okay, I'll catch you next time. Bye. Don't forget to leave a comment.